Oh no, I'm late again.
Late? For what?
For my future. I didn't plan it.
Don't worry. Your future is safe, but you do need to know how to talk about it in English.
Oh, then let's go to the future with English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to True Fluency channel.
Today we will talk about the future, not in a time machine, but in English.
That's right. You'll learn how to say things like, I will go. I'm going to eat. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
So, if you want to sound like a natural English speaker, stay with us.
And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss your future English lessons.
Okay, ready? Let's go to the future with English. We will learn 3 easy ways to talk about the future in English. 2. Using be going to. 3. Using present continuous for future plans. Let's go step by step.
Okay, number 1. Using will for future decisions and promises. The word will is very common. We use it to talk about decisions we make now or promises.
Example time.
Let's say you are hungry.
I'm hungry. Pizza.
Then you decide.
I will order a pizza.
Perfect. You just decided now, so you use will. Examples. I will study tonight. She will call you later. He will not, won't go to the party. Will not can be shortened to won't.
I will not eat ice cream. I won't eat ice cream.
Are you sure?
Okay, maybe I will eat it. Ice cream. The lazy student. Narrator. Tom is a lazy student. Tom. Oh, I forgot, but I will do it tonight. Teacher. You said that yesterday. Tom. Okay, I will really do it tonight. Poor Tom. He always says, I will do it later.
So remember, we use will when we decide something now or make a promise. Repeat after us. I will go. You will go. He will go. Now faster, I'll go. You'll go. 2. Using be going to for future plans. Now, let's learn about going to. We use it for plans or things we already decided.
So, will is for a new decision,
Yes.
and going to is for a plan we already have. Examples. I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. She's going to cook dinner tonight. We're going to watch a movie. They're going to play football.
See? You already have a plan.
Let's see a small story. The weekend plan. Anna and Mia are talking. Anna. Hey Mia, what are you going to do this weekend? Mia. I'm going to visit my grandmother. Anna. Oh, nice. I'm going to go to the beach. Mia. That sounds fun. Don't forget sunscreen.
Great job, Mia and Anna. Grammar tip. Positive. I'm going to study. You're going to travel. He's going to sleep. Negative. I'm not going to study. She isn't going to work tomorrow. Question. Are you going to eat dinner? Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
So easy.
Yes. Going to is perfect for plans and intentions. Practice time. Repeat after us. I'm going to cook dinner. You're going to travel. He's going to call his mom. We're going to study English.
Nice. You're doing great. 3. Using present continuous for future arrangements.
The third way is using the present continuous. You know, am is AR plus manus ing. We use it for future arrangements, like meetings or schedules.
So, I can say, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
Exactly. You already have a plan, maybe time and place. Examples. I'm meeting my teacher at 5. She's flying to London next week. We're having dinner with friends tonight. They're coming to my house tomorrow.
But isn't that present continuous?
Yes, it looks like present, but the time word shows it's future. The busy man. Friend. Hey, Jack, can we go for coffee tomorrow? Jack. Sorry, I can't. I'm meeting my boss tomorrow morning. Friend. What about lunch? Jack. I'm having lunch with my client. Friend. Dinner? Jack. I'm sleeping.
Poor Jack. He's always busy.
Yes, He uses present continuous for his future plans. Grammar tip. Positive. I'm meeting Sarah tonight. He's watching a movie tomorrow. I'm not meeting her tomorrow. We aren't working on Sunday. Question. Are you meeting your friend tomorrow? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Practice time. Repeat after us. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. She's working next week. We're going shopping on Saturday. Nice job. Talking about predictions. Now, sometimes we talk about predictions. What we think will happen.
Ah, like when I say, it will rain tomorrow.
Exactly.
So, we use will for predictions, right?
Yes, but we can also use going to when we have evidence. Examples. I think it will snow. Prediction. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain. Evidence.
Oh, that's a cool difference. The weather talk. Ben and Sarah are looking outside. Sarah. Oh no, look at the sky. It's dark. Ben. It's going to rain soon. Sarah. Really? I think it will stop later. Ben. Let's bring an umbrella.
Good choice, Ben. Always bring an umbrella. Quick review. Will versus going to versus present continuous. Situation form example. Decision, now will I'll take a taxi. Promise, will I'll help you. Plan, already decided. Going to, I'm going to study tonight. Fixed arrangement, time, place. Present, continuous, I'm meeting my friend at 7. Prediction will going to, it will rain. Or, it's going to rain. Practice with a fun dialogue. Let's listen to Emma and Leo.e. Emma, hey Leo, what are you doing this weekend? Leo, I'm going to visit my parents. What about you? Emma, I'm meeting my cousin on Saturday. Leo, nice. I think it will be sunny. Emma, great. Then I will wear my sunglasses. Leo, oh, I will bring ice cream. Emma, yum. I'm going to be happy then. Pronunciation. Tip. When you speak fast, I will becomes I'll.
I will go. I'll go.
She will come. She'll come.
They will eat. They'll eat.
Practice with us. I'll go tomorrow. She'll call later. They'll study tonight.
Great. You sound natural.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments. What are you going to do tomorrow? What will you do next weekend?
For example, I'm going to meet my friends tomorrow. I'll watch a movie next weekend.
Write your answer below. We love reading your comments.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
There are 3 main ways to talk about the future in English. 1 will, for decisions or promises. I'll help you. / I'll call you later. 2 going to, for plans or intentions. I'm going to travel next month. 3 present continuous, for fixed arrangements. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
And don't forget, we can use will or going to for predictions.
Example, it will rain. It's going to rain.
You did amazing today.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on how to talk about the future in English.
You're learning step by step, and your future English is bright.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And tell your friends to join us too. Let's learn English together. See you in the next video, in the future. Bye-bye.